that really piqued my curiosity. Will you look at this? This is a coal stove. Do you see this? This is a coal stove. Coal has been used as a fuel since caveman times. The oldest coal mines have been discovered in China, in northern China, dating back 4,000 years ago. In the modern era, of course, coal fuel, the Industrial Revolution, which began in Britain in the 1830s, leading eventually to the modern world that we have today with its technological miracles. And the reason for all the success, of course, is that coal burns at a much higher heat per unit than any other substance known to man. It is arguably the most efficient fuel ever discovered. There was already coal mining operations in northeastern Vietnam in the 1830s, but it was the French who began large-scale, sophisticated mining operations in 1888, spawning eventually a coal miners' labor movement against exploitation, and an important part of the socialist communist movement that produced modern Vietnam. Today, these coal mines, these coal stoves are relatively rare as the government has cracked down on them in their campaign to control pollution. However, coal is still a major part of the Vietnamese economy, producing 1/3 of its energy and an important part of the economic boom that Vietnam is going through.